All U.S. trucking businesses can benefit once they set up an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Through an LLC, you can start legally protecting your assets such as a house, car, and savings account. These assets can have full protection if your trucking company ever gets sued, or if your business has to default on any sort of debt. Plus, having an LLC creates great tax options for trucking company owners. Here is an example of how limited liability protection works. Say that a truck driver for your carrier gets hurt in an accident or injures someone else. A personal injury lawsuit could then take place. But thanks to having a limited liability company, you can protect your assets, the company itself, while dealing with a lawsuit. This concept even applies if a truck driver damages someone's property or if you are to file a commercial bankruptcy. Are you familiar with an S Corp? This is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. Through S Corp status, a business owner can get treated by the IRS like an employee of a company. This process is for tax purposes that can benefit any trucking organization. For example, having S Corp tax status could reduce the self-employment taxes of your trucking business. Here's how the process works. A business owner could contribute pre-tax dollars to health insurance premiums, or the pre-tax money can go towards the 401k of the trucking company owner. This is yet another example of the many benefits associated with having a trucking LLC. With so many advantages, it is no wonder why an LLC is the most popular type of business structure in the United States. Here are some basic steps to take when forming your trucking LLC. First, you must choose a base state for your LLC. In most cases, this is either the state where you will operate your business or the state where you currently live. Step 2 involves naming your LLC. The government in your base state will have a list of current LLC names. You must choose a unique name that no other company in the state is using. The next step for setting up a trucking LLC is to get a registered agent. This is not an option. Every LLC must have an agent to accept legal documents and tax-related notices from the government. This way, a registered agent can provide crucial documents to your trucking business if a lawsuit ever takes place. Step 4 is to file an Articles of Organization document with your state. This filing will officially form your LLC in a legal manner. The 5th step for setting up your LLC is to create an operating agreement. The agreement is a legal document that will outline ownership and member duties of your LLC. As a result, managers and employees will know how you expect your trucking LLC to operate. Next, you can complete step 6 by getting an EIN through the IRS. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. In most cases, you will need an EIN to open a business bank account, pay employees, and file taxes each year. Keep in mind that the FMCSAregistration.com can set up a trucking LLC on your behalf at any moment. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call at 866-477-0707. Our experts are standing by to complete your LLC registration ASAP at the cheapest price out there. Then, you and your trucking company can reap many benefits of having asset protection.